Kneeling. You'd think that kneeling is like quite an easy thing to do. I mean, it's one of the first things we learned to do when we were kids, crawling around on the floor before we got kneecaps. It was quite easy. However, so many people get this position wrong. What you need to do, first of all, is make sure hands straight underneath the shoulders. Don't keep your hands like this. Spread the fingers out. Put some weight onto your fingers. Very good for them. Make sure that your knees are fist distance apart, so you're in alignment. That's the important thing. Make sure your body's aligned. And then you don't want to sink into your shoulders. Push up out of the shoulders and expand the ribs sideways as you breathe. If you can imagine, they're just like bellows opening out to the side. And then a little bit of a hip tilt so that you're engaging your core. Zipping it up through the spine yet again. Tighten. Hold it in that position. Breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Doing 2 exercises for the price of 1. Breathing in and out. And release. That's how easy it is. Thank you for giving me a minute. And if you liked it, well, please do hit like and subscribe. And don't feel shy. Comment. Let us know what you'd like to see, how we can help you. And don't forget that soon, if you do like it enough, I'll be asking you to give me 15 minutes. We'll see you there.